this switch case. You can see this curly bracket hasn't been closed yet. It is the, let's say it is the mother of all the switch case. This is where it was closed. So you can see that. Oh no, this is where it was closed. This was closed here, and this is where it was closed. So I'll try to, you should be able to see the code one after the other. So the return 0 here, it shouldn't be here, it's not necessary since I have it. Okay, I didn't, let me just write it here. So let me run the program again for you to see. So now let's go by selecting the 3. You can see we have the mini and the maxi. This is the case 3 here. It is the third case in the question. When you see this, it is the third case here. So when I selected 3, I got the mini and then the maxi. So you can see that is what I have here. So when I click on the maxi, which is the one, then you will see I'll have 7,800, and then the second statement comes up by saying you have 89 channels activated. So this is just a simple program, and then a very good example on how to embed a switch inside a switch statement. So let me just scroll for the last time so you'll be able to see the code one after the other in case you want to type and run this. So the first thing is this, so you can just pause it and then type the code, and then this is the second, this is, okay, let me say this is the case 1. You can see this is the case 1. I have to use the break so that after this instruction has been performed, it won't have to jump to this. So this is the case 2. You can see another switch case is embedded inside this case 2, and then in the case 3 another switch case is embedded under it. So you can see I use a different variable name for the embedded switch. So this is C, and then this is B, and that was A. So this is just a simple way to embed a switch inside a switch statement. I believe you get this. So let me just go over the last time. So you can see it. It's not that difficult. It is not that difficult. So let me go back to the second question. The second question says, can I maximize this? Okay, I'm coming, please. So this is the question. A boxing bout is described to fight between two contestants and then contending for the belt title. Its formation is such that it has at least 3 judges whose points are accumulated together. You can see the points of the 3 judges are accumulated together. So that means the 3 judges' points are summed up together. Okay. And then comment. Okay, and then comment the judgment. Write a C++ program to capture the points landed by scores of 2 fighters. Okay, that's Anthony Joshua and then Klitschko, as judged by 3. The program should report case win and the person that won, fighter 1 or fighter 2, otherwise tie. So this program is such that there will be 3 judges that would judge, and then there should be a summation of the first player. So let's say we have player A, and then we have player B, which is Anthony Joshua and then Klitschko. So the three judges are going to judge on Anthony Joshua 3 times. So when we have the first judge is going to judge this first time, and then the second time, and then third time, we're going to sum that up, and then the other judge is going to judge for Klitschko. Then we need to compare the summation of the points. So let's go now to C++ to write the program. So welcome back to C++. So this is the code. I have written it now. So I'll start by analyzing the code. Or firstly, let me run this so you're gonna see. Oh, I'm still having the other program here. How will I do this? Clean workspace. Oops, I'm still having this. Sorry, I need to switch this window back so I'll be able to. Okay, let me just Control A, Control C. Okay, I have this. So let me switch back to this frame so it will be clear enough. So now welcome back. Now this is the code. So the way this program is designed, it is done in such a way that instead of me to accept the point one by one, I had to put it into in a loop. So this is the for loops that allow the program to run 3 times. You know, it was stated in the question that the judges are 3. So the judge is gonna judge Anthony Joshua. The judge is gonna do this 3 times and then 3 times. So let me run the program for you to see how it works. So now this is the first statement. You can see enter fighter 1 point, that's Anthony Joshua. So when I click on 322, it's gonna move to the second one, which is Klitschko, and then that's 1. So it's gonna go back to this again. So but while the program is looping, I have created a loop to sum up Anthony Joshua's point and then Klitschko's point. So let me continue to am I the third one? 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, I have the third point here. So you can see for every time this program is looping, then there will be a variable that will be summing up the point. So it has actually summed up the point, and then you can see we have 26 to 5. Then we have Anthony Joshua 1. So this is just a simple program, and all this is just the comparison where I said if this A is greater than B, then we should know that the fighter 1 won, and fighter 1 wins, that's Anthony Joshua. Then it's going to show the point. Same thing applicable to this, that's the inverse. And if these 2 points are equal, then it's a tie. So let's run this again. So you're gonna see we should test for the tie in the program. So let's just input 1 point for all of them. So you can see it's a draw. The points are 3 3. So you can see that it is a very simple program. You can just sit down and run this, and I'm very sure it's gonna work. So that's that about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It is the Way Forward Academy. Peace.